Hi friends, today I have come up with a topic VKR and VNB College Gudwada friends after 25 years. When I chosen this topic, just one thing came to my mind. 25 years. 25 years have passed just like 25 minutes. Gudwada. It is a place near Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh state, and our college is located 3 kilometers away from Gudivada city, and it is located in Eluru Road. I joined this college after my 10th class. For me and for so many friends like me, we learned so many things in this place. We were under the control or we were under the shadow of the parents till that date. We started knowing the world in those days. We got so many memories in this place. We got friends and we got beautiful relations with friends. So many memories down the line. We learned what is life in this place. So, friends, today I have come up with a topic for the 91 batch ECE, and let me call it as episode 1 because in this I am going to introduce only 10 friends. If someone is starting a story, they have to start at some point. I am starting at this picture. A life isn't meant to be easy. It's meant to be lived. Sometimes happy, other times rough. But every up and down, you learn lessons that makes you strong. In this photograph from the left side, he is Mr. Rambabu Kalsetti. He is from Vijayawada. He is like this right now. He is an entrepreneur in Hyderabad right now. If friendship is your weakest point, then you are the strongest person in the world. He is blessed with 2 kids, one male kid, one female kid. This is family photograph. And the second person in the picture is Gautam Motepalli. He is from Kautavaram, a place in Krishna district. He is right now like this. He is staying in Hyderabad. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. He is blessed with a male kid and a female kid. This is a photographer, his daughter. And the third person in the photograph is Chalapati Rao Addanapodi. He is from Guddavaleru. He is like this right now. And he has become a government officer. He is working for Jilla Parishad in Krishna district and staying in Machilipatnam. This is his kid. A friend is someone who makes it easy to believe in yourself. And the fourth person in the photograph, Rajkumar Atluri. He is from Gudivada. He is like this right now. He is working for Reliance Communications in Hyderabad. This is his family photograph. He is blessed with a son and daughter. We all are travelers in the wildness of the world. The best we can find in our travels is an honest friend. He is my honest friend. Here I would like to introduce Nanchareya Ide. He is from Kautavaram, a place in Krishna district. Right now he is like this. He has worked for Reliance Communications in Hyderabad. This is his family photograph. The greatest gift of life is friendship, and I have received it. I have received it from Nancharaya. He is blessed with three kids, one male kid, two female kids. Now, let me introduce myself. I am Jagdishwar Rao Kilari. I am from Vishakhapatnam. This is my photograph right now. I am working for a public sector NTPC Limited. It is in right now I am working at Talcher Kanya. It is in Odisha. This is my family picture. I am blessed with a male kid and a female kid. Now I will introduce Sri Gauri Shankar. Gauri Shankar is from Gudivada. He is like this right now. He is working for ECIL in Hyderabad. He is blessed with two male kids. True friends are never apart, maybe in distance, but never in heart. Let me introduce you the Durgara Baswa. He is from Gudivada. He is like this right now. He is working for a construction company in Zambia. It is in South Africa. Family photograph. We will always be friends because you match my level of crazy. He is blessed with two kids. Let me introduce the person who is in the middle. His name is Sagar Soma. Sagar Soma is from Gudivada. He is like this right now. He is working as general manager for Anand Technologies and staying at Bangalore. There are friends, there is family, and then there are friends that become family. Sagar has become my family member. He is like this right now. He is blessed with two male kids. Now let me introduce the star of the batch. His name is Srinivasa Rao Piru. He is like this right now. Yes, he is a Tollywood actor and staying at Hyderabad. He has started his career in the year 2004 and is popularly known as Prabhas Srinu. His debut movie is Varsham. Later, he has acted around 250 movies in his career. This is his family photograph. He is blessed with a kid, female kid. For him, success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, Wow of what you are doing and learning to do. With this, friends, I can say great friends are hard to find, difficult to live, impossible to forget. With this, thank you all. Hope you all like this video. Please share and subscribe.